Ang problema kasi natin when we're facing clients is lagi ang mindset natin, taga-receive lang tayo. Okay?
Interview tayo.
Interview type tayo. But when we say interview or when we say discovery calls with client, kaya nga siya tinawag na discovery call eh. Ikaw dapat yung nag-a-assess. Para kang doktor eh. Anong sintomas mo? May sipon ka ba? May ubo ka ba?
Anong kailangan?
Yes. Kailangan natin tanungin yon. So let's say you're from e-com. So ikaw as a service provider, you should know about it. Okay. Saan mo i-capture yung mga customer mo? How would you nourish it? Hindi niya ako masagot. Nalala mo yun natin. Hindi siya makasagot. Sabi niya, tatanungin natin, etc. That's when you know that they know that they have the problem but they don't have the solution.
Minsan kasi nadadala natin yung mindset, galala kapag shifter ka, di ba? Nadadala natin yung mindset na empleyado. Pag kasi po freelancer ka, consider yourself as a business owner. Hindi ka po empleyado. Hindi ka po pupunta sa interview na mag-iintay ka lang na tanongin and then that's it. Tapos pag tinanong ka, do you have any questions? Wala po. You're a business owner. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung brand. Okay? So you have to change your mindset na business owner ka, hindi ka lang empleyado.